Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you are new. Either way, I'm glad that you clicked on this video and I hope you watch until the end. This is a spend the day with me kinda video, and on this day, I started by making myself breakfast, did a bit of tidying in my room, then I went to the market.
Everything that brought me alive, but we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi.
Here is everything I bought from the market: onions, tomatoes, courgettes, sweet potatoes, oranges, carrots, peas, cucumbers, avocado, lime, garlic, oranges, pixies, apples, pineapple, and a melon. Then I added some cereals.
Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn, but how can I hide you without an alibi?
I then washed everything I bought with vinegar and a little soap. The soap helps in removing mud, especially during this rainy season.
Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my hands without an alibi.
After they were dry, I arranged them nicely in the fridge. I also boiled the cereals off camera. For dinner, I had to try a recipe I saw my friend making and it was so yummy, so I thought I should show you guys. This is the end of this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share it with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly consider doing so. Bye.